Today we're diving into the Oppo A5 5G 2025, a budget-friendly smartphone that aims to deliver a premium experience at an affordable price point. Now, before we get started, I want to clarify that this is not a sponsored video. Everything you're about to hear is my honest, unfiltered opinion. I'll be walking you through my experience with this device, covering everything from its sleek design, camera capabilities, to its day-to-day performance. So does the Oppo A5 5G live up to the hype? Let's break it down and find out. But before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest tech reviews and updates. First impressions matter, and the Oppo A5G absolutely delivers with its sleek, modern aesthetic featuring flat-edge design. What truly sets this phone apart is its ruggedness. It comes with an IP65 rating, making it dust and water resistant, along with a military-grade shock resistance certification, ensuring it's one of the most durable smartphones in its price range, perfect for clumsy users or those with active lifestyles. Available in two color options, Aurora Green and Mist White, and I like the texture on this back panel. In hand, the Oppo A5 feels solid and well-balanced, thanks to its ergonomic flat edges and thoughtful weight distribution, making it comfortable for extended use and inspiring confidence in its build quality. Overall, Oppo has nailed the design and durability, making the A5 a standout in the budget-friendly segment. Moving on to the display, the Oppo A5 5G sports a 6.67-inch IPS LCD panel with a resolution of 720 by 1604 pixels. While this resolution may seem a bit low by today's standards, it's fairly common in this price segment. Despite this, Oppo has optimized the display to deliver vibrant colors and respectable brightness, peaking at an impressive 1000 nits. This makes the screen usable in most lighting scenarios, though visibility can still be slightly challenging under harsh sunlight. One of the standout features is the 120Hz refresh rate, which ensures smoother scrolling and a more fluid touch response compared to standard 90Hz displays. Whether you're gaming, browsing, or streaming content, the higher refresh rate significantly enhances the overall user experience. Under the hood, the Oppo A5 5G runs on the MediaTek Dimensity 6300, a power-efficient 6nm chipset paired with 6GB of physical RAM and an additional 6GB of virtual RAM, along with 128GB of internal storage. For those looking for a more affordable option, there's also a 4G variant equipped with the Snapdragon 6S Gen 1. This hardware setup delivers smooth and responsive performance, handling everything from everyday multitasking to more demanding applications with ease. Gaming is a strong suit as well. The device manages popular titles at medium to high settings while maintaining stable frame rates, though extended gaming sessions may lead to some thermal throttling as expected in this price range. Despite this, the overall performance remains impressive for the average user, striking a solid balance between efficiency and capability. Now, let's talk about the cameras. The Oppo A5 sports a dual camera setup, headlined by a 50-megapixel primary sensor accompanied by a 2-megapixel monochrome lens for black and white shots. In good lighting, the main camera performs admirably, producing sharp, well-balanced photos with accurate colors and decent dynamic range. However, the 2-megapixel monochrome lens feels like a missed opportunity. An ultra-wide shooter would have been far more practical for most users. On the front, the 8-megapixel selfie camera delivers surprisingly good results, with natural skin tones and crisp details, making it great for both selfies and video calls. For video recording, the rear setup can shoot 1080p at 60 frames per second, though the lack of optical image stabilization (OIS) means handheld footage can be shaky. If stability is a priority, you might want to pair this phone with a gimbal for smoother videos. Battery life is one of the strongest aspects of the Oppo A5 5G. The massive 6000 mAh battery easily lasts a full day of heavy usage, and with moderate use, you can stretch it to 2 days. The device supports 45-watt fast charging, which can take the battery from 0 to 50% in just 37 minutes. On the software front, The phone runs on ColorOS 15, based on Android 15. While the interface is feature-rich and customizable, it does come with some pre-installed bloatware that might not be to everyone's liking. That said, the overall user experience is smooth and intuitive.
So, who is the Oppo A5 5G for? If you're looking for a budget-friendly smartphone with a solid build, a smooth display, reliable performance, and excellent battery life, the Oppo A5 5G is a strong contender. While it has its limitations, particularly in low-light photography, lack of ultra-wide camera and thermal management, it offers a great value for its price. Speaking of price, for 5G, it costs 669 dirhams, and for 4G, it costs 549 dirhams here in Dubai. At the end of the day, the Oppo A5 2025 strikes a fine balance between affordability and functionality, making it a worthy option for budget-conscious consumers who don't want to compromise on quality. If you're interested to grab this device for yourself, I will put the link in the description below. That's it for today's review of the latest Oppo A5 5G. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more exciting tech reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out!